HTTPS. What is HTTPS? It's nothing but a secured HTTP. Why not? Everyone can use HTTPS in their websites. If you want your website to be supported with HTTPS protocol, then you need to buy a SSL certificate for your website, which may cost from $10 to $100 or even more based on your requirement. Here certificate, which is also termed as SSL plus certificates. Though there are many possibilities to get a free SSL or TLS certificate, the implementation is time consuming one and it requires the modification of link structure of your entire website. Also, there are probabilities for speed losses, which means your page speed may decrease a bit, which also means that the page loading time may increase a bit. If your page loading time increases, then it negatively affects your search engine ranking. Once you have implemented HTTPS in your website, you should move to a little bit powerful server such as VPS or cloud hosting. You can see that Wikipedia has completely moved from HTTP to HTTPS. Whenever you search for Wikipedia, the URL in the search result appears as HTTPS. This is why I recommend you too to move to HTTPS to get a boost in search engine ranking. In the next lecture, let's see importance of search volume of your domain name and how it affects your search engine ranking.